Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be learning how to host a static website in S3. For that, we'll go and download a asset file from two-plate template. Let us go to two-plate template. We'll take this one, Strategic Excellence, and we will download this now. Just click on download, and wherever you would like to download it, you download it. Just keep it in downloads. I'll save it. I'll close the thing, and I'll go to my downloads now. And in my downloads, I will extract that file first. I'll extract it. Yeah. Okay. We'll come back here. So before that, we'll go to S3. In S3, we have to create a bucket. Just click on S3, create bucket, and give a bucket name that whatever you want to give it. Actually, the website name is Strategic Consulting. Let us give the same thing. Strategic Consulting. Come down. I'm not going to change any default settings as of now. We'll come back here and we will check it how we can enable it. Let us create the bucket. Yeah, the bucket name contains invalid character underscore, so we should not use underscore while creating bucket. Okay, create bucket. Okay, we should not use bucket with the same name already exists. Okay, this bucket name is already exist. Just give -web. Like why that bucket wasn't created is that name, with this name that bucket is already exist. Means somebody else have taken that name to name their buckets. So what we are going to do, inside this created bucket, we are going to upload the objects. So whatever it is, like it can be an HTML file or any file you can upload it in this bucket, that we will call it as objects. So we'll be uploading the Strategic Consulting assets, all the index.html file and CSS file, JavaScript file, and images folder. All those things, I'll just select all the things and I'll just drag and drop into my uploads. Once I just drag and drop it, I can just simply upload it. What happened? Images folder created. Inside that folder, all the 4 images been uploaded. So just drag, drop, then close it once you have uploaded. And now if we go to buckets and if we see, we have all those things. So to access the index.html file, you have to click on that index.html object and you have object URL over there. Click on it and copy it and paste it in your browser. So this XML file does not appear to have any style information associated with it. So access denied came. So first we will give permission. First we will go and give permission for it. Not for this, we have to give it for our bucket. Let us go to the bucket, and inside this bucket we have all those things. Let us click on permissions, and we have a permission named, not permission actually, properties. Sorry, properties. Inside that properties we have static website hosting option. Go and click on it, and we have to enable the static website hosting option, and come down, specify the index.html file name. You have to specify it, and come down and save it. Okay, then once we do this, successfully edited static website hosting. Yeah, and if you see that, you will have a link for your website to see. You can see 403 forbidden, access denied, and all these things coming. So you have to keep accessibility, public accessibility for your objects. How you can give it? You have to go to your bucket. So click on the bucket. So here you have permissions. Click on permissions. You have here block public access. So block is on now. We have to do off. We'll unblock all the public access, and we will save the changes. Let us confirm it by copying this confirm and pasting it over here. Yeah, done. So after that, let us just check it. It is still not accessible. We have to do one more thing, that is object ownership. You have to click on edit, and you have to before that I want to show this one. Like, we have to make public accessible, right? Make public using ACL. So this option is not enabled. To enable that option, we are going to permissions, and here object ownership is there. So control ownership of objects return to this bucket from AWS accounts, and use ACL, access control list. So let us edit this one. We have to enable it. Enabling ACL. I acknowledge that ACL will be restored, and save the changes. Once you do this, and you will have the authority to make public using ACL. Make public using ACL of all the files and folders. Let us just make it happen. Make public using ACL. Yeah, make public. Successfully edited. Yeah, done. Successfully edited public access. Now if we go and if we just check it, yeah, our website is live now. Okay, I hope everybody understood how to do this. Very simple, very easy. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete the bucket as well. Otherwise it will incur charges in our AWS account. So this is just to experiment how we can use buckets. Okay, let us just delete it. So before deleting the bucket, we have to empty all the objects. We have to delete all the objects first. So click on it, click on actions, so click on delete, click on delete, and copy paste the permanently delete over there. Delete objects. Once we have deleted, click on close, done, and go to buckets now. Click on buckets and delete the bucket. Copy the name and paste it over. Set the S over here. Yeah, delete the bucket. It's done. Now if I just check the URL, it will not be working. Done. So hope you have understood how to host a static website using S3. Thank you.